The creaming method forms the basis of a lot of pastry recipes and cake recipes. The example we've got here is sticky toffee pudding, and the creaming method refers to beating the butter and sugar together at the start of the recipe. The recipe will say cream the butter and sugar, and it's beating it until it's light and fluffy and full of air. It's important that the butter is at room temperature or around 20 degrees. If it's not warm enough, you'll struggle to get the air in, and if it's too warm and runny, you'll struggle to retain the air. So I'm going to keep beating and beating and beating until it becomes nice and light and fluffy. At which point we add our liquid. And usually in a cake recipe, it'll be eggs. Sometimes it might be milk or something else, but 9 times out of 10 we'll be adding an egg. And as we've said in other reoccurring principles, eggs can only take on another ingredient slowly, and it's the same for the butter and sugar mix. If we add everything in at once, the mix will curdle, and we're after a thick, rich, creamy mixture that's full of air, and it's going to make the cake or the pastry nice and light. Okay, so I put the first egg in, and then I beat it well until it was well incorporated, and then I went in with the second egg. I'm going to keep beating until it's nice and light and creamy, and then I'll be ready for the dries.